Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the cylinder and piston kit from QA Parts for the Honda TRX 400EX and EX. Alright, so if you own a Honda TRX 400EX or EX and you're rebuilding your engine and you're looking for a great high quality direct cylinder replacement and piston at a great price point, then this kit from QA Parts is just what you're looking for. The best part about this is the price point. I'm going to go through and show you everything that comes included, but you're going to get everything for well under the $100 mark. So let's talk about it. So first up, you're going to have your cylinder, you've got your piston rings, your pin along with the circlips, brand new spark plug will come included as well, and you're going to get all your gaskets. You're going to have your head gasket, your base gasket, your cylinder head gasket, along with the gaskets for your cam chain tensioner. Now we've actually installed one of these on a Honda TRX 400EX. After installation, the thing ran awesome. So again, if you're looking to rebuild your engine and you want to do it at a great price point and not break the bank, then this kit is going to help do that job. Now if you've never installed one of these before, or if you've never done a top-end rebuild, we actually have a great video that shows you step by step how to install and redo the top end on a Honda TRX 400EX. So if you're not sure, give that video a watch, and in that video we'll tell you all the tools and parts that are going to be needed for the job. So make sure, go to RockyMountainATVMC.com to pick up this kit along with all the tools and parts and accessories that you will need to do all the jobs and maintenance on your four-wheeler. If you guys have any other questions or comments, leave those below, we'll get those answered. To pick yours up, like I said, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. These kits are machine specific. We offer QA part cylinder and piston kits for different machines, so it's very important. Make sure you have the correct year, make, and model to get the kit that's going to give you the exact fitment. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.